Good morning, students. Today, let us learn about subphylum Vertebrata. The term Vertebrata implies chordates with a vertebral column or a backbone. Vertebral column comprising a series of rings called vertebrae. Vertebrae are the structural and functional units of a backbone or vertebral column. Vertebrata is also known as craniata, refers to the presence of cranium or brain box. Cranium is a protective skeletal covering around the delicate brain. Next, general characters of subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrata shows the following salient features or general characters. Number 1. The body of vertebrates is usually divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Fishes and amphibians lack a definite neck, and external tail is absent in apes and man. Number 2. The tail, when present, is always post-anal in position. It is the posterior prolongation of the body without coelom and viscera. Number 3. There are only two pairs of paired appendages which are present in the form of pectoral and pelvic fins in fishes and forelimbs and hind limbs in other vertebrates. In birds, wings are modified appendages. Number 4. The skin or the integument is differentiated into an outer multi-layered epidermis and an inner dermis. The skin may have a protective coverings of scales, feathers, and hairs. The skin produces special protective outgrowths such as scales, feathers, and hairs. Number 5. Metameric segmentation is usually exhibited in the embryonic stages in the arrangement of mesodermal somites. This is evident in the adult in the arrangement of muscles and vertebrae. Number 6. A spacious body cavity or true coelom is present, which contains viscera loosely suspended by mesenteries. Number 7. The notochord is embryonic and is partially or completely replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column, which forms the endoskeleton. The endoskeleton also includes visceral skeleton, girdles, fin rays, and limbs. The brain is enclosed inside the brain box or cranium. A part of the skull enclosing the brain is called brain box or cranium. The digestive tract is complete with pancreas and liver. Pancreas and liver are the outgrowths of the alimentary canal. Next point. The organs of respiration include the gills in lower vertebrates and lungs in higher vertebrates. Next point. The circulatory system consists of a heart located ventral to the gut or alimentary canal, which may have 2 or 3 or 4 chambers. The circulatory system is closed and the flow of the blood is forwards in the ventral blood vessels and backwards in the dorsal blood vessels. Hemoglobin is contained in the erythrocytes or red blood corpuscles. Next point. The dorsal tubular nerve cord becomes differentiated into a central nervous system or CNS consisting of a brain and spinal cord and peripheral nervous system or PNS, which in humans include 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Next point. Special organs of sense like eyes, ears and nose are present in the neighborhood of brain. An endocrine system consisting of ductless glands are present. Ductless glands produce hormones. Next point. The urinary or excretory and genital or reproductive systems are closely associated to form urinogenital system. The excretory organs include a pair of large mesodermal kidneys. A well-developed urinary bladder is usually present for the storage of urine. Sexes are separate and the gonads are paired. Next point. The digestive tract, that is the posterior part of the rectum, the excretory and genital ducts open into a common chamber called cloaca. Cloaca leads to the exterior by the cloacal aperture. In many vertebrates, cloaca is a small median chamber which is used to pass the fecal matter, urine and sperms to exterior. Cloaca is present in amphibians, reptiles, birds and elasmobranch fishes such as sharks. A cloaca is present in placental mammals or in most bony fishes. Next, functions of cloaca. A cloaca is an orifice through which urine, fecal matter are eliminated. The cloaca shows the following functions. Number 1, the cloaca serves as waste elimination point for both urine and fecal matter. In mammals with cloaca, both the intestinal and urinary tracts end at the cloaca. Number 2, the cloaca also serves the function of the vagina in females and in some species serves as function similar to that of penis in males. Number 3, female animals with cloaca receive sperm, lay eggs and give birth to their young ones. Number 4, some species of amphibians, reptiles and mammals are thought to have glands in or near their cloaca which produce their distinctive personal scent. These scent glands can be used to mark their territory, leave personal chemical messages such as those used to advertise availability during mating season. Subphylum Vertebrata is divided into two divisions. Division 1 Agnatha, Division 2 Gnathostomata. That's all. Division 1 Agnatha. Agnatha is also known as monorhina. We will discuss it in next class.